What is going on, everyone? I hope you're having a great day. I am doing okay. Today, I really don't want to make a video, but you know what? I told myself I got to be consistent with it. I got to do one at least every day for 30 days to build some consistency. I also don't really feel like working out, but you know what? I'm going to, because being consistent is the key to being successful. Honestly, I would much rather sit on my butt and eat Cheetos and play Call of Duty all day. But I'm not going to. I'm going to go to the gym. I'm going to be consistent with that. And being consistent in life with anything, whether it's learning a language, starting a business, working out, it applies to everything. Consistency is the key to success with a lot of things. And sometimes I forget that and I get lazy, and it's just so much easier not to do anything. But I'm staying consistent, and I hope you guys find something in life to be consistent with to create a better life for yourself. So with that being said, I hope you have a great day. I'll see you guys in the next video.